So good morning, dear students. My name is Mitul Patel, Senior Application Engineer and Software Evangelist in SOPAN Institute of Engineering and Design. We always runs with one main vision, that is deliver more than promise. So before starting this webinar on part modeling and assembly through SolidWorks, I would like to give a brief introduction regarding SOPAN groups. SOPAN groups normally runs with three main firms. Number one, SOPAN Institute of Engineering and Design. This SOPAN Institute of Engineering and Design is the authorized training center for Autodesk and SolidWorks. SOPAN Infotech, where various industrial services and various live projects runs under SOPAN Infotech. SOPAN Consultancy, where various recruitment and vacancies runs through SOPAN Consultancy. Okay, so now we'll start our webinar on part modeling and assembly through SolidWorks. So before starting on this SolidWorks, we'll just check it out what we are going to do. I'll just show you one sheet. Okay, so you can clearly see this sheet. From this we got to know that આજે આપણે શું કરશું. આજે આપણે knuckle joint assembly બનાવશું with the help of SolidWorks software. So you can clearly see fork end, eye end, knuckle pin, collar, taper pin. So these all individual components we will model in that SolidWorks software અને એને પછી આપણે assemble કરશું. બરાબર, and assemble કર્યા પછી how the drafting sheets has been done, that all things will be covered in this session. So let's start on SolidWorks software. So as soon as we'll just move on to SolidWorks software, this kind of SolidWorks software you can see. So SolidWorks, so basically what is this SolidWorks? SolidWorks is nothing but a Dassault system software. ઘણી વાર તમે સાંભળ્યું હશે કે ફાલ્કન એરક્રાફ્ટ જ્યારે એ ડિઝાઇન થઈ હતી, that designs can be done through SolidWorks software itself. Okay, so through this SolidWorks symbol જે બાજુમાં તમને દેખાતો છે ફાઇલ વ્યૂઝ ટૂલ્સ હેલ્પ જે તમને દેખાય છે, so they are nothing but quick access toolbar કહેવાય. શું કહેવાય એને? Quick access toolbar. So whenever you want to start, we'll just goes in file and through this new command. So as soon as you will click on new, or with the help of control and also we can start a new command. So as soon as you will click on new, you can clearly see three icons on our screen. So આ જે ત્રણ icons દેખાય છે, part, assembly and drawing. With the name itself, assembly means what? કે હરેક component આપણે ભેગું કરીને આપણે વસ્તુ કંઈ ક્રિએટ કરવું. Just one example, મારે મશીન કંઈ બનાવવું છે, તો એ machines that can't be made with the help of individual components. So various component જોઈશે, એ component ને merge કરીને તમે assemble કરીને બનાવશો. One structure has been made, that is nothing but we can consider it as assembly. બરાબર, અને એ assembly બનાવવા માટે જે individual component જે design થાય છે, that will come under part. And drawing are nothing but two-dimensional drafting or two-dimensional drawing. Especially all manufacturing sheets are in terms of two-dimensional only, and જે પણ વસ્તુ manufacture કરવું છે or જે પણ suppose read કરવું છે, that things has to be done in two-dimensional sheet only. So that's why many times they are also known as drawing sheet also. So we'll start with part command. So as soon as we'll click on OK button, so this kind of screen you can clearly see. So whatever the middle screen જે તમને દેખાય છે, so this is nothing but Windows graphics screen, or you can also say it as work area where modeling has to be done. And left hand side પર જે તમને દેખાય છે, they are nothing but feature design tree, where whatever the part that you are going to model using various sketch, using various features command and various types of command, that all things can be shown through this feature design tree. And during your modeling, you can check it out through various planes, top planes, right planes, front plane. Okay, so whenever સપોઝ મારે મોડેલિંગ સ્ટાર્ટ કરવું છે તો સ્ટાર્ટ ક્યાંથી થાય? થ્રુ sketch command. So as soon as you will just go in this sketch, you'll just click on sketch command, and as soon as you will click on this sketch command, you can clearly see three planes has to be seen: front plane, top plane, and right plane. Okay, and as per that sheet or as per that 2D drafting sheets, કયું plane select કરવું એ વસ્તુ main છે. Okay, we can create any modeling part, we can create any modeling part with the help of any planes. Okay, but from which plane it will be easier, that is the main thing that we have to know. એ વસ્તુ ખબર હોવી જરૂરી છે. So as per that sheet, with the help of top plane, we can easily make our fork art. Okay, so as soon as I'll just click that top plane, the screen will come parallel to that X and Z plane. Okay, so I'll just go in line command using this center line, and I'll just draw infinite line as a reference on x-axis and on, you can say, the z-axis. Okay, so after drawing this reference line, we'll just move on to circle command. I'll just draw two circles. And one more important thing that you have to remember in this SolidWorks, that any rough sketch you can draw through SolidWorks, and then you can give dimensions. So using this smart dimensions, I'll just give dimensions as 20 mm inside diameter, 40 mm outside diameter. Okay, so as soon as this circle has been created, so I'll just go in corner rectangle, and to this reference line I'll just draw random rectangle over here, and as per that sheet I'll just give dimensions from origin point to these lines as 80 mm, and after that dimensions has been given, I'll just give this as 24 mm, but they are not symmetrical to this axis. But for that symmetrical, I'll just select these entities and these entities and center line entities, and I will do axis symmetric. So this sketch has been created axis symmetric on that center line. The jail upon entities required nothing. With the help of trim command, I can easily just trim it. Whatever entities are not required, so with the help of print command, you can clearly erase these entities. Okay, so as soon as that sketch has been completed, we'll just keep on to features command. So with the help of this features command and using extrude boss base, so this two-dimensional will get converted into three-dimensional. So as soon as I'll just click extrude boss base command, and using selected contours, we'll just select on this sketch where we have to convert two-dimensional to three-dimensionals, and how much it should be extruded as per that sheet. We'll just give dimensions 14 plus 12 plus 12 plus 14, so total 52 mm will get extruded. And with the help of direction also, you can easily control direction. Okay, so you can clearly see two-dimensional to three-dimensional part has been created. Okay, so now, so I will just, so as per sheet, we have to sketch on this front face. And one more important, જે આપણે આગળ જ ભણ્યા કે we can draw sketch on planes, but wherever that flat surfaces has been done or flat surface has been created, on that flat surfaces also you can draw various sketch, and using this control 8, so I'll just draw two center lines or two reference line from this point. I'll just do exact So this,
so okay. Sorry.
I'll just draw a line through these origins, straight vertical line. Okay. So as soon as that reference line has been created, so with the help of this, I'll just draw two circles over here. Okay. Dimensions of this upper circle should be equal to this entities, or we can say this diameter. So I'll just select the relations. I'll just select this circle and this entities, and I'll do tangents. Automatically this dimensions has been maintained. And so smaller circle diameter will be of 24. So through these lines dimensions will be, I think, 26. Okay. So blue line get converted into black. So this sketch has been constrained. Okay. So after this sketch has been created, I'll just draw one line or one random line from this surface, and I will just draw till over here, and I will do tangent with this smaller circle. Okay. As soon as the tangent has been done, but the same line has to be over here on below side also. So using mirror entities, I just select these entities about these entities. So automatically તમને they clearly yellow line માં clearly દેખાશે okay કે this line has been mirrored. So as soon as that mirror has been done, so I'll just select corner rectangle, and okay. Okay. So as soon as corner rectangle has been sketched, now whatever the remaining portion that we want એ આપણે રાખશું, અને જે આપણે unwanted entities છે એ આપણે delete કરી દઈશું. Okay, so using this trim command, I'll just select trim command. Okay, these portions are required. Similarly, these portions are required. These portions are not required, so I'll just delete this portion. Similarly, I'll just delete this portion. This is also not required. This entity is also not required. This also. Okay, so we'll just go in features command, and to extrude cut, and to select it contour, we'll just select the portion we have to cut to all both. Okay. You can clearly see this fog eye has been created.